I started out as a young teenager pulling on the shirt for Haverfordwest County women. Back then, there weren't girls' teams at every age group. If you wanted to play, you found a way, and I did. From there, I played for Cymru. It was great to bring my experience back to grassroots football, and that's where everything really grew, not just as a player, but as a coach. Now I am heavily involved with the women's and girls' teams at Haverfordwest, and my biggest pride isn't just the matches, it's the pathway. Seeing girls start at 5 or 6 years old and knowing they can stay in the game all the way through to women's football. Giving them the opportunities I never had and watching their confidence grow week after week is incredible. Some of them are already training with the FAW Academy. That's the future right there. I haven't stopped playing either. I started a women's walking football team at Haverfordwest County. Within the first year, we had Welsh internationals, 4 of us from one club. One of my proudest moments in sport is playing for Wales, and I have represented Wales twice at the Walking Football World Championships. Pulling on the red shirt, standing there for the anthem, there's nothing quite like it. There was a Four Nations tournament in Norway too, another chance to wear the dragon with pride. Football for me isn't just something I coach, it's not just something I play. It's something I've built my life around, and now it's about making sure the next generation get even more than I did.